Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to walk you through how to set up and connect your iRobot Roomba Combo Essential. If you're interested in this product or you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. Let's go ahead, let's open up the iRobot app and get this set up. Alright, so here's a look at the iRobot app. We have a couple Roombas already set up within our account. I believe if you're wondering, you can add up to 10 devices per iRobot account. So we still have a couple more to go right here. Doesn't matter if you have one or none or any installed. The setup procedure is the same. Top right hand corner, select add your product. It's going to search for nearby products that may or may not show your Roomba. In our case, it does. So we have the Roomba Combo Essential robot that needs set up right there. If yours doesn't show on the screen, you can scan a QR code if it has it. But in this case, you would have to manually select your product from the lists right there. So a couple different ways to set this up. We'll let it search, find the Roomba Combo again, and we'll add it right here. So there it is. We need to set it up. We need to connect to our Wi-Fi network. That's going to be the next screen here. A Wi-Fi network is required, and it has to be 2.4 gigahertz, depending on your series. But for the Essential, the I, the 6, 7, 8, 900, and E series, you have to connect to a 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi network. So choose your local network and select yes, continue. Now you'll be prompted to enter your password. Then you'll hit continue, and it's working on connecting to the robot. And we have a prompt here to go ahead and press the clean button to connect to our phone. And now it's going to connect to Wi-Fi, verify the password, and establish the cloud connection. This should take around a minute or less. We already checked off the first two right there. When it is finished, we'll get a voice prompt. There we go. Here it comes.
Your robot is fully set up and ready to go.
So great news.
Press clean to get to work.
Everything's fully set up and ready to go. It's going to take the app a couple more seconds to catch up to the Roomba right there. But super simple and straightforward to get your Roomba Combo Essential set up. All right, it took about another 30 seconds for the cloud connection to finish, and this is the screen you're going to be at, where we can select continue. We can name our robot, so I'm going to put an E on there too, since we already have a Roomba Combo in our lineup. And now setup's complete. It's going to load an experience for us. We're going to go through a couple of slides to learn more about the product and best practices. Here's the first slide right here. We'll just toggle through each one. They walk you through some controls, how it navigates, charging, different settings, tips and tricks for installation. You get the idea. Then select next. And now we're taken into the device settings. That's it. It's that simple to get everything completely set up with the iRobot app.